Good evening, friends. We are back again with one more session on Learn Polity through MCQ. This is the 17th part in which we are going to talk about non-constitutional bodies. So without any further delay, guys, let us start. So guys, without any further delay, our first question, which of the following is a statutory body? Okay, so guys, the correct option will be National Human Rights Commission. However, the other three bodies are executive bodies. Okay, the National Human Rights Commission is a statutory body. Okay, so the correct option will be option C. Moving towards the next slide, guys, we have the National Human Rights Commission was established under. So guys, which one of the following is the legislation which led to the establishment of NHRC, National Human Rights Commission? So guys, it will be Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. The year is very important, often asked in examination. Okay, so Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. So question number 2, correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have which one of the following is an executive body? So guys, which one of the following is an executive body? Out of these four, three are constitutional bodies. What are the constitutional bodies? UPSC, Finance Commission, CAT. However, Niti Aayog is an executive body that acts as a think tank for the country's policies. So option C will be the correct option. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have consider the following bodies: Central Vigilance Commission, Central Information Commission, and National Green Tribunal. Which of the following are statutory bodies? So guys, out of these three, all of them are statutory body. 1, 2, and 3. Central Vigilance Commission, Central Information Commission, and National Green Tribunal. So all of them will be nothing but statutory body. Okay, moving towards the next, we have, guys, the Central Vigilance Commission was given statutory status in which year? So guys, the Central Vigilance Commission was given statutory status in the year 2003. So the correct option will be option B. So correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next slide, guys, we have which of the following bodies replace the Planning Commission? So guys, we all know earlier we had a Planning Commission that used to provide plan for every 5 years. However, it was replaced by Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is the organization that replaced this Planning Commission. Okay, so the correct option will be option C. Moving towards the next question, guys. National Green Tribunal was established under. So guys, which particular act led to the establishment of the NGT, National Green Tribunal? So guys, National Green Tribunal Act 2010 is the correct option. NGT 2010. So moving towards the next question, we have which one of the following is not a statutory body? So guys, we all know that Niti Aayog is nothing but an executive body. So this will be the right option, which states which one of the following is not a statutory body. Okay, the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission must be. So guys, there is a criteria for the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission, and it should be the retired Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India. So the correct option will be option A. Option A, a retired Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India. So correct option will be option A. Moving towards the next slide, guys, we have which of the following regulates the security markets in India? So guys, it is talking about stocks. Okay, so it is done by SEBI. Okay, SEBI is the one which regulates the securities markets in India. Okay, so the correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here, consider the following statements regarding Niti Aayog. It is a constitutional body. It was formed by executive resolution. It acts as a policy think tank. So guys, option 3 is correct. Option 2 is also correct. However, it has no constitutional status. It's an executive body. So if we eliminate option 1, we are left with 2 options, and we also know that it was formed by an executive resolution. So option B will be the correct option. Option B will be the correct option. So moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the Interstate Council established under. So guys, this is a part of the constitutional bodies. Okay, so it There's Article 263 that talks about the Interstate Council. Okay. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here, which of the following bodies deals with environmental adjudication? Okay. So, guys, it is CPCB, it is NGT, it is MOE, FCC, or is it NERI? So, guys, it is nothing but our National Green Tribunal that deals with environmental adjudication. So option B will be the correct option. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have the Central Information Commission is constituted under. So guys, it was constituted under RTI Act of 2005. So the correct option will be option A. So the correct option will be option A. Moving towards the next question, number 15, we have, which of the following bodies advises the government on cooperative federalism, which means the policy think tank it is asking about. So guys, we all know that here Finance Commission, UPSC and Election Commission, they have their distinct functions. Okay. However, towards cooperative federalism, the Niti Aayog is the one that is working. Okay. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have the Lokpal and Lokayuks Act was passed in which particular year? So, guys, it was passed in 2013. That led to the establishment of posts such as Lokpal and Lokayuks. Okay, Lokpal and Lokayuks. So, guys, it will be option number C. Moving towards the next question, we have here, which of the following is correctly matched? SEBI banking regulations? No, guys. SEBI is doing securities, regulating the securities market. Okay. RBI securities market? No, banking regulation. IRDAI, that is basically that deals with insurance regulations. So the correct option will be option C. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the National Commission for Women is a constitutional body, no executive body, no judicial body. However, it is a statutory body. So, guys, it is a statutory body. Okay. So the correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have, which of the following regulates the pension sector in India? Is it RBI? Is it SEBI? Is it PFRDA or is it IRDAI? So guys, it will be PFRDA. So the correct option will be option C. Moving towards the last question of the day, guys, we have, consider the following statements regarding the statutory bodies. They are established by Act of Parliament. They derive their powers directly from the Constitution. So guys, we know that they are not mentioned anywhere in the Constitution. So option 2 will be incorrect. So the moment option 2 is incorrect, we are able to eliminate this and this. So we are left with one only or neither 1 and 2. So guys, they are established by an Act of Parliament. So option A will be correct. So guys, this was all for today. In the upcoming sessions, we will be coming up with more such topics. Till then, stay connected with Edufy.